Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up and use AliPay without any bank account. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna go on vice.com. It's a pretty reputable website. So if we scroll down, you can see, unfortunately, as a foreigner, you cannot use AliPay without a Chinese bank account outside of China. This may change in the future, but for now the 90-day tour pass is restricted to use within China. So you cannot really use AliPay outside of China. However, due to the tour pass, you can use it within China. So a recent change by AliPay has made the app available to foreigners even when visiting China. So you normally need a Chinese bank account and local mobile phone number to use the AliPay app. However, with AliPay's relatively new 90-day tour pass program, you can use the application without these things. All you need to do is link your US bank account and you can spend in CNY while in China. So here's a quick look to how to set up AliPay for foreigners. So you just have to download the application, sign up with your US phone number, choose the AliPay international version, select tour pass, enter load amount, add your bank account, enter your ID, complete the load money process, and once you are all set up, you'll be able to make AliPay payments in China wherever it's accepted. So it's that simple guys. You just have to opt for tour pass subscription. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.